Welcome to Vlogmas 2025, where I shall be bringing you a video every day between now and Christmas. So please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notifications bell so that you don't miss one. Another little DIY project that we're going to work on for Christmas is to make a garland from bows, and we're going to do it. I say we're going in shifts, myself and my daughter. But basically, using the French knitter, we're going to make a string so long of green. I've also got white here and red, and I've literally just started. And then you basically just bow them together. So I'm just going to keep doing a little bit of this each evening.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me.
So I'm just using this as a guide. Just got a bit more to go. So that's one of each colour done. And now I've just got a load more, but that'll have to be another night.
Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas.
So they're all finished. I've done a practice of one bow. Look, me, I don't do bows, and I've managed to do that. Very happy. And then all you do is basically loop one like that and make another bow, and then just keep fiddling with it until you get it tight on there. Like that. And then alternate the colours. So I'm going to get on with this, and I'll see you back in a minute. I'm actually really quite enjoying this one. The key is to get it quite tight, and then just keep sort of fiddling with it until it looks sort of right, really. That is the most successful I have been with bows, I think, ever in my life. Right, I will continue. So I think because we're getting through the Advent and this one is now empty, I think if I take this off and I put them up here, let's just have a... Oh, look at that. That's perfect. Do you not think? Let's do that. That's easily done. So that one comes off. Oh, hello. And then that goes on there. I haven't even got to move them then. There. I'm very pleased with that. What do you think? Do you think you could do something like that? Let me know below. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I've really quite enjoyed this one, and I hope you've enjoyed following along with it too. And I'll see you tomorrow.